In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple notepad application with a graphical user interface in Python. We will be using the PySide6 library to do this. So let's get started in a new project. First, you need to install PySide6 library. Pip install PySide6. Now we need to create a new Python file. First, let's start by importing the necessary models. We will need the Qt widgets model from PySide6, as well as the sys and OS models. From PySide6, import PySide6 Qt widgets, import Q application, Q main window, Q text edit, Q file dialog. Now from PySide6 Qt GUI, import Q action. Next, we will create a class for our application. This class will inherit from the Qt widgets Q main window class. This will give us access to all the necessary methods and attributes for creating a GUI. Class notepad inherit Q main window. Now let's create the init method for our class. This is where we will set up the window and all the widgets. We will create a QText edit widget for the text area. Def Next, we will create the method for our application. We will create a save file method for saving the text to a file, a load file method for loading a file. Now let's create a menu bar for button saving and opening files. Now add window size and title. Finally, we will create the main method for our application. This is where we will create the instance of our application and call the show method for display the window. Now let's take a look at the complete code for our application. So we have one problem, name, run, okay, hello, save. Let's open our code. Well done, it's worked. And that's it. You know how to create a simple notepad application with a GUI in Python using the PySide6 library. Thanks for watching.